Man, look at this thing here. This is a nacho bacon brisket cheeseburger. Can you dig it? This is my son's creation. I'm gonna show you exactly how I put it all together. Let's go. Hey good people, welcome back to BKC Cooks. I'm Brandon Carpenter. Today we are making a nacho bacon brisket burger. Sounds crazy, right? Well, I have a story. So I made a brisket the other day. And it was pretty big, man. That thing was about 15 pounds. And so I had plenty of brisket. I had brisket nachos and brisket fried rice and brisket this and brisket that. And you know, you can only eat so much of it. But my son came up to me. He's like, hey, Dad, I got an idea. I'm like, what you got? He was like, we need to take some of that nacho cheese we had left over, some of that brisket, and put it on a burger. And I'm like, you know, say more, tell me more. And he goes and he's telling me all about his idea. And I'm like, son, this sounds great. We're gonna make it happen. So that's what we're doing today. So we're gonna be cooking that burger on my King Griller Gambler. This is made by Char Griller. It's a fantastic little fold up portable grill. You can fold it up, you can wheel it away. This thing is really, really cool. And of course I'm rocking with the Good Charcoal Company. That's the official charcoal of BKC Cooks. Get yourself some, you can get it. Look online, you can find it, order it directly to your door. So we're not gonna mess around, man. We're gonna light these coals. We're gonna get these burger oil. I'm just doing one, just an example, because this thing is really good, y'all. I had one already. I gotta confess, I had one already, but we're gonna make one and show y'all exactly how we do it. Let's go. So I got just a little bit of the good charcoal, lump charcoal in here, and I got a little fire starter in there, and I just got everything in a pile. Get my match down there, and we're rolling. So we're gonna let these coals catch up. We're gonna get that burger on there. Before you know, we're gonna put all this thing together. It's gonna go kind of fast, y'all, but I promise you, this thing is gonna be delicious. All right, y'all, so my grill is hot, my coals are ready. I got a nice 1/4 pound patty. This is Prime 1 ground chuck from HEB, best grocery store in the world. And I just seasoned this with some adobo seasoning and some coarse black pepper. That adobo seasoning goes really great on burgers, man. One of my old fire chiefs, good friend of mine, turned me on to that, and I got to tell you, that adobo is great on burgers. So as you can hear, got a nice beautiful sizzle already. I'm gonna close that down. I'm gonna let it do its thing. I'm gonna check it in about 2 minutes, make sure everything is doing what it's supposed to do. I think y'all know how to cook burgers, but if not, y'all let me know and I'll do a class on burgers. But this King Griller Gambler, I'm telling y'all, man, is a really cool little grill. Y'all should definitely check one out. You can get one for about 100 bucks, and it is super versatile. So we'll check this in about 2 minutes and make sure it's doing what it's supposed to do. All right, it's been 2 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, I think that's about ready. See, when that thing started leaking like that, start getting juicy on top, I know it's time to flip. I like my burgers medium well. It's the only thing I like medium well is just the whole ground beef thing, man. You know, that's just the way I like it, but you cook it the way you want. But we're going over, as you can see, we got some beautiful grill marks. Give this about another 2 minutes, and we're gonna be ready to assemble this thing. As of now, that thing is thinging. Yes, indeed. Get you one of these gamblers, man. All right, y'all, the burger is done. It's time to assemble this thing, man. So I got a toasted bun here on the bottom part of the bun. And I'm going with some jank spicy barbecue sauce on the bottom. Just a touch. Beautiful. And next I'm gonna put my bacon down. Got 2 strips of really nice bacon. Cross those up just a little bit. Next I'm going with my beautiful patty that we just took off the grill. Beautiful thing there. Next, got a fried egg. I think over medium is the way to go here, but that's up to you. If you want over easy, if you want to make it really, really oozy, Do your thing, man. Now here's the kicker, y'all. Got my top bun that I toasted, and I got it covered with nacho cheese, as you can see. I'm gonna put the brisket in the nacho cheese. I got this chopped brisket. Remember, I made that brisket and I had a lot of leftovers. So I chopped this up, heated it up, kind of crisped it up a little bit. Yes, indeed. We'll put these things together and get ready for the taste test. Let's go. All right, y'all, that's the final product, man. Look at that cross section. So we got brisket, we got nacho cheese, we got a fried egg, we got that beautiful, I'm dropping cheese. That beautiful burger that we did on that King Griller Gambler. I got bacon and spicy barbecue sauce on the bottom. Man, let's get into this thing and see what it do. There's so much going on. This sounds weird and crazy. Believe me when I tell you it works. Everything works. The egg, the cheese, the brisket. Man. Woo. One more. Never a tired when I need one. Okay, so my thoughts on this. Fantastic. Amazing. I gotta give all the credit to my son. He's the one who came up with this idea. Again, I was kind of getting a little tired of all the leftover brisket I had. Not with this. Man, this is next level. You knocked it out the park, son. Good job. Do me a favor, y'all. I want y'all to leave a comment. My son is really turning into a pretty good cook. I'm trying to encourage him to do his own channel. Don't want to force him, but if y'all leave a comment, do a little vote. Yay or nay, should he do his own channel? He keeps coming up with ideas like this. I think he might be going somewhere. But I hope y'all give this a try. This thing was really good. And as always, I keep telling y'all, stop being scared. Put something on that grill, let's go. And I will catch y'all on the next one. Hopefully the next one is as good as this, because this is damn good. Later on, y'all.